What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be swapping this B20B into a 97 Honda Civic EX, and I will go through the steps of what I did. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. Yeah, let's get to it. So right here on the throttle cable bracket, I cut the D16Y8 and then I used a P75 bracket and I welded them together. Hell yeah, she's alive. Ready for the customer to pick it up. He bought us the motor. I put the transmission, the clutch, flywheel, distributor, made the necessary modifications to the harness, for example extend this wire, and a few other things. Had to change the post mount to a 2000 SI post mount. He has the line, so that's why I didn't connect any of that. I didn't put the belt either because I don't want to run the compressor without oil or anything like that. But yeah, she's ready. Alright, so basically I'm gonna go over everything I did really quick. The motor mount both to the chassis is the same from the D16Y8. I believe this bracket is the same, but I use the 99 SI bracket, 99 SI post mount, and 99 SI T bracket. I use Integra shift linkages, Integra axles, 94 to 2001 Integra axles, and 94 to 2001 Integra half shaft. The harness, basically, I use the same harness, but I did some minor modifications to it. For example, extend this guy, because on the D16Y8 it connects to a sensor right here, and on this guy the sensor is up here. This engine came with no crank position sensor, so the wires that connect to the ECU, I had to jump 2 wires. I believe it's D1 and D4. And D1 and D14. I'll put it in the description, and I'll try to put a picture of what I did right here on the video. Clutch and flywheel, any D series clutch and flywheel works. Transmission has to be a hydraulic transmission. I use LS out of a DB7. The engine's a B20B. 2000 B20B, CRBAC bracket. On the power steering bracket, some people change the pump to a 2000 SI pump, but I'm not sure what bracket this is. It came with the engine, and the pump and everything bolted up. Like I said, there's no belt, so that's why it's loose. But yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments, and if I know the answer, I'll be more than happy to help you guys. And yeah, this is the car. It's a 97 Civic EX. Basically a SI replica, because it has the wing, the 2000 tail lights, SI rims. It has the 2000 front end, but he brought it to me like this because I guess he was working on it. So yeah, I hope you guys I hope this video helps you guys. And if you, like I said, if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. If I know the answer, I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. I know this video is short and I haven't uploaded, but thank you guys who continue to watch my channel. I promise there's going to be more exciting content soon. We're gonna be working on my brother's Integra project, and he wants to boost it and do all kinds of things. But for now, we just gotta do little projects so we can make some money to fund those projects. So thank you guys so much for the support. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace.